Consequences are for poor people. Everyone notice? Anybody ever been to court before? Court is just a game you gotta play. When you get caught fucking up, more money you have, better shot you have at winning. If you don't think court is a game, look at the terminology that they use. 2 teams sit on a bench and practice in a court in an attempt to win a trial. If you don't want to play, you can plead no contest. They call it a fucking contest. How much more obvious can it get? A verdict will be reached by a jury of your peers. What is this, a fucking game show? Tonight on Law, 12 strangers will decide whether one man will escape in an hour or get ripped in the shower. Only on TBS. Like, in reality, we don't need a bunch of strangers to wake up early to figure out who gets sole custody of the dildo. But the reason we have that is so the state holds no responsibility. You ever notice that? State holds no responsibility. They go, hey, not our fault you went to jail. Your peers sent you there. I mean, who am I to judge? I'm just a judge. Like, only reason why a judge is in a courtroom is to make sure that the rich players get properly dealt their justice. Because people forget, well, a jury decides the verdict, judge decides the sentencing. That's why 5-year-old black kids will get 55 years for 5 grams of crack, when 55-year-old white guys will get 5 days in the Bahamas for embezzling $5 billion of crack money. It's called home court advantage, guys. It's not a race thing, it's a money thing. There's not more black people in prison due to racism, there's more black people in prison because they're poor. Because of racism. The point is, justice may be blind, but that bitch sure can smell money. So, how about that? Thank you. You guys are very cool. I appreciate that. Thank you. I like that one. All right. Okay. Let me just check the Epstein list real quick.